I've had some bad things happen lately, but last month the worst thing happened. I dropped my hard drive and it broke. 2 terabytes worth of memories all gone. My favorite photos from my travels and my trips over the past 5 years just wiped out in a second. I remember plugging into my laptop and hearing that sound, the dreaded clicking of death. Nothing showed up on my laptop. My heart sank. I literally felt sick to the stomach. I spent hours talking to ChatGPT just hoping for a miracle, and I was honestly ready to give up, and just accepting the fact that everything that I've ever shot was now gone. But somehow miracles do happen because this package from Payam Data Recovery just arrived. So here's my broken hard drive, which, by the way, if you're a videographer, creator, photographer, whatever, and you're still using these old HDDs, just stop playing with fire and just upgrade to an SSD. Yeah, don't be a tartass like me. So that's broken. Or yeah, it's all labeled. Shout out to Payam. And this was the hard drive that I supplied to them. Oh, even put a little soft foam to protect the hard drive. Kudos. It's the Samsung T7 Shield. But yeah, this is pretty much the hard drive that they recovered data to. I don't know how they did it, but they put on some serious CPR and managed to recover about 85% of my files. So if you do the math on it, that's about like 1.7, 1.8 terabytes of data. And yeah, paying whatever I paid was a no-brainer. I mean, the memories on this hard drive is like priceless. The process was incredibly smooth. I dropped off the hard drive at the recovery center and they kept me updated every step of the way. While I waited, I prayed like there was no tomorrow. And then the day came, they emailed me telling me, yep, we're about to recover this amount of data. Would you like to go forward? And I was like, yep, bet, let's do it. And then, yeah, it happened like really quickly. They sent me a link so I could like preview and like click through all the files and folders before paying. And that peace of mind was everything. You only pay if you're happy with what they recovered. So huge kudos to them. And the best part was that they preserved my entire like files in the exact same folder structure. Like I was ready to spend hours reorganizing everything. Like imagine like reorganizing 1.8 terabytes of data and files. Yeah, so they saved me that nightmare as well. So yeah, to anyone who's been careless like me and dropped their hard drive, I highly recommend Payam. Don't get me wrong, I was skeptical, only because I don't know much about recovery centers. I was like, oh, like, is this place in Bangladesh? Like, is there an offshore location where I lose like my hard drive there? Like, etc., etc. But look, 20 years in the game, they've got multiple locations in Australia, so it's a no-brainer. The whole team was amazing, like from start to finish. Like, whether you're trying to recover travel photos like me, family memories, or even photos of your ex, who knows, just leave it to Payam. You'll thank me later. Huge shout out to the team at Payam Data Recovery. Like, honestly, thanks to them, I can get back to creating again, which is something I've been missing these past few weeks. So, yeah, very excited.